Alright, today we are going to open up a couple boxes of the Blaster Box Series 1 Dynamite Transformers 40th Anniversary. 5 wax packs per box, plus one bonus sized 5x7 card per one of these boxes. We're going to open up 2 of these. These are different from the other boxes or other cards that have come out in this series. The hanger boxes have a more glossy, shiny coat to them. These are fashioned more like the cardboard of the 80s. A little bit darker on the back. We'll look at that in a second. And you can see also the wrappers are trying to maintain that whole nostalgia kind of look to it. So Transformers 40th Anniversary Dynamite. It's a blaster pack. 10 packs per, or 10 cards per pack. No guarantees except for a foil in these. There are some chase cards in these. So let's see. First up, we've got Megatron, some connector cards, and Prime in the same pack. Back to back. There's the foil connector card. You see the back of these. Pull up one of the Megatrons right there, so you can see the difference in the coating. And the finish on the back of the cards, very much like your old school tops from the mid 80s on back. Let's see what we got here. Grapple. Let's keep on going here. Again, we're looking for some chase cards. And then the foil in these. There's the checklist. Looks like we did run across a chase card in this one. Prime chase card. Chase card number 1. There are some 1 of 1s in this advertised. Opened up a few, but have not seen any. You can kind of see the specs on these. Like I said, a little bit different than the hanger packs that you may have seen. Different from the deluxe set, which highlighting on a different video. Another connector card variation. There's 3 or 4 different connector cards, and of course the cards differ. These are all part of the base set. 110 cards in the base set, but some of them are character, and then some of them are the transformation toy cards. Ironhide. There's a nice Galvatron right there. Is the foil in this one. I like that. That's pretty nice. I'll put that up so we can find something a little bit fancier. We may or may not. It has a nice background to it. Blaster, Starscream. I want a Devastator. Like that. Connector. Can't go wrong with Cup. And the last pack in this first box. The foil is a connector card. Alright, so that's it for the first box, except for the box topper. said, it's a 5x7, a little bit larger. And you can kind of see it's a scene card. These are numbered 1 to 9. And they all have the 40th anniversary logo on them. High gloss. Put that right there. Go on to the second box. See what all we might have in this one. Maybe another chase card. And we'll start with the box topper here. And looks like we've got a duplicate. Not sure if that's going to bode well for the cards that we get in the pack. Hopefully the cards aren't the same as well. We'll start off here. That's interesting. All right. And we do have we got an autograph prime. This one is autograph 2 of 3. First autograph that I have seen in these blasters. Put that off to the side here. Say likely will not find another one in this box, but one never knows. Another connector foil. Put that in the foil box here. Of course, using all the original Generation 1 designs. Megatron, Prime. It seems to be a back-to-back kind of thing going on right there. Galvatron regular card. And Optimus. And Blaster for our foil in this one. Great shine on that. Would make an excellent subset. Buying a few of these blasters, you can probably make an entire 110 card set of the regular cards. Compiling the foils would probably take you a while, but that would be a nice little subset for you to try to make up. And the last pack here, connector card, foil for that one. Again, great shine, great finish. All right, and there you have it. As he falls, an autograph for the set, or autograph for the box. Number 2 of 3.